What were the key moments in the Unabomber trial? What were the key moments in the Unabomber trial? The trial of Ted Kaczynski, known as the Unabomber, was filled with significant events that shaped its outcome. Let's break down these moments. First, on January 21, 1998, Kaczynski was declared competent to stand trial. This decision came from a federal prison psychiatrist. Despite his psychiatric diagnoses, this ruling allowed the trial to move forward without delays for mental health evaluations. The very next day, on January 22, 1998, Kaczynski pleaded guilty to all federal charges related to his bombing campaign. By doing this, he accepted a life sentence without the possibility of parole. This plea was significant as it avoided a lengthy trial and the potential for the death penalty, which prosecutors initially sought. However, after pleading guilty, Kaczynski attempted to withdraw his plea. He claimed that the judge had coerced him into it. But Judge Garland Ellis Burrell Jr. denied this request. Later, the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit upheld this denial, confirming the validity of Kaczynski's plea. Following his sentencing, Judge Burrell ordered the sale of items from Kaczynski's cabin through an internet auction. This auction excluded any bomb-making materials. The proceeds, amounting to $15 million, were directed toward restitution for the victims. Kaczynski's personal papers were also auctioned after necessary redactions to protect victims' privacy. Interestingly, Kaczynski gifted his cabin to an anti-death penalty activist who helped prevent his execution, but the government did not allow her to keep it. Throughout the trial, there were notable issues regarding Kaczynski's legal representation. He argued that his lawyers acted against his wishes and prevented him from representing himself or firing them. The prosecution acknowledged that Kaczynski made a compelling case about his attorneys abandoning him. This aspect complicated the defense strategy and was a significant part of the trial's legal dynamics. While the trial itself was crucial, the investigation leading up to it was also intensive. The Unabomber task force divided into squads to analyze suspects and re-examine incidents. They reviewed thousands of tips and pieces of evidence. A breakthrough occurred when Kaczynski's brother recognized his writing style in a published manifesto. This recognition played a key role in the investigation, which involved extensive analysis of patterns and writing samples. These key moments in the Unabomber trial highlight the intersection of criminal law, mental health considerations, and legal strategy. The trial's resolution through a guilty plea avoided a lengthy court battle while addressing important legal questions along the way.